Hey family, welcome to Vlogmas 2022. Let's get it, let's go.
Let's see.
Good morning, happy Sunday guys. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Started my routine, slept in. I really got some decent rest today. Well, last night into today, so I didn't make myself get up until, I don't know, probably about 30 minutes ago. Got up, washed my face and everything. Ooh, I love starting my day that way. So we're going to go ahead and get the coffee started. I cannot wait. I don't know what I want. I think Dunkin's, yeah. Yeah, I always choose Dunkin's. I do like this other one that my husband gets. But, yeah, y'all, look at that. 11:26. So that is, a very late start for me. But I tried to do that when Joshua does not have school. It's my opportunity for both of us to sleep in, actually. And hubby missed, I don't know, we'll go back and look at it. I missed Joel Osteen. But I will catch that. And then, look at my empty little bar, guys. Joshua tore it up, and it's hard to find the replacement for it. So, all right, I will have a couple things I'll be sharing with you guys today. It does that every time you come near it, so it's censored. Sometimes we have to turn it off. Hey guys, this is one, I think I shared this with you. This is one of my birthday gifts that I wanted. Was a clear beer can glass set and the straws. So this is just, I'm finally opening it. I opened it up last week and I'm running some hot water because I'm going to clean them all. So that's that. Let me just take them out. They each come with, ooh, they're really glass, guys. You have to be careful with this. Here's the cleansers. So they come with 3 cleansers and then 6 straws because there's 6 glasses. So I'm going to place those in there. Ooh, that water hot. You see that red? It lets you know. Oh, if it don't let you know, when you touch it, you're going to know. Okay, let me get this off. I can't do it one-handed. Hold on. Okay, that's better. I have found my, ooh, this is protecting the top of the glasses, guys. I found my tripod. So this is what they look like. They come with their own tops. You can get these cheaper than this. You can get a 4 set with the tops, and that's a decent price. And also you can get a set without the top. You just get the beer can. A lot of people call it Coca-Cola bottle, the Coke bottles, but they're shaped like beer cans and Coke bottles. But the point is, it's like a can, okay? So I am going to put each one in there and the tops. I'm gonna cleanse everything so that, the reason I got a 6-piece set is so that if others want to drink out of them, I'm not feeling like, no, that's my special cup. because I am like that with my cups. I only want me to use, you know, like my specific coffee cups and things like that. So I'm gonna let those soak a little bit, then I'm gonna wash and clean them, and then I have to find a new place to put them. So anyway, cheers to my clear collection. I have one more set of these I want to get. They have the pedestal at the bottom, and then I'm going to be done with the clear cups. So all right, thank you. All clean. These are on my Amazon store, and I also will leave the description to these, or the link in the description box or at the top of the comments. Hey family, I'm sorry I forgot about y'all, but I'm a little bit busy. I'm making my rice with onions, some brown stew steak, yes, and I have my black beans there. There's my onions, there's my brownie sauce. So I'm a little bit busy, you know. I'll see you guys later. All right, bye. All right, guys, so we are waiting. We have 12 minutes and whatever, waiting on the bread. That is the stick. It's stewing down. Yes, yes. There's my little beans. They have a little mozzarella cheese on top of that too. And yeah, that's my rice. And then, yeah, I'm gonna kick back. I was gonna make some mixed vegetables. I don't know about that, because I'm ready to eat. Guys, I figured I would show you that I did put them in the cabinet. I have a nice space for them, and I stored them with their straws and the tops inside, you know, all attached. That way we're not looking for pieces. And then right here I have the cleansers right there. Okay, so I am happy. My clear sets are almost done. I have my plates, I have my saucers, I have my Coke / beer bottles now, or beer can glasses. I have my coffee cups and stuff. All I want now is the ones with the pedestals on them, and I think I am gonna be done. All right, I hope you guys like them. I'm doing this so you guys can see how I make my plates look presentable for my family. Pack it down, and it's gonna give them a nice helping of rice. You pack,